How does 2-deoxyglucose act? We know that the Drug Control General of India has approved the usage of 2-deoxyglucose for the treatment of moderate to severe COVID patients. In this video, we are going to answer several questions that have been popping up in our mind since the time we heard this news. I'm sure you have them too. To begin with, the first question would be, is it a new drug or it existed even before? In which conditions it was proven useful? What is the mechanism of action? Is it proven effective against virus-infected cells? What are the side effects, if any? And finally, how can this drug be a breakthrough in controlling the present COVID situation in India? The drug 2-deoxyglucose existed since many years, and it was a very potential drug in increasing the efficacy and results of radiotherapy in cancer patients. It was also useful in cancer diagnostics. Now we need to arrive at an understanding of how this can be used in COVID patients. As the name says, it is a molecule that mimics glucose. In our body, the cells take up glucose to produce energy. This glucose, once inside the cell, it takes part in a process called as glycolysis and Krebs cycle and yields energy for the survival of the cell. Now, the game played by this 2-deoxyglucose is that it competes with glucose to enter the cells and selectively accumulates in virus-infected cells. Once inside the cell, it participates in glycolysis similar to glucose, but stops it midway without yielding any energy for the cell. This energy-deprived cells tend to undergo apoptosis, that is self-degradation. It is a natural mechanism of majority of the cells to undergo apoptosis once they become weak and old. So this drug makes the cell to undergo apoptosis naturally by depriving it of energy. This self-degradation mechanism of virus-infected cells also kills the virus inside it. In this way, the virus cannot replicate any further. Another good thing to know is that the drug does not have any major side effects. The only proven side effect seems to be hypoglycemia, only when it is administered in large doses. This drug can definitely be a breakthrough in controlling the present COVID situation in India. It works as an excellent adjuvant to the existing COVID drugs and improves their efficacy. The DRDO research team conducted various clinical trials across the country, and it was proven that it stops the viral replication at a very early stage of the disease and helps in speed recovery of the affected patients.